Good morning. Welcome back to the channel. This is Tanya, Sidegigcrafts. You guys, it's not Friday. It's not finished at Friday, but I have finished it. The coffee journal is done. I want to thank you guys for watching the videos. I actually turned off the camera yesterday and got this little cutie finished up. This one is 3 inches by 4 3/4, so it's pretty tiny. And but it's packed with lots of fun goodies. So let's get into it. Let me show you about it, or tell you about it. Ooh, this is the perfect size to fit in a purse, and there's just lots of yummy in here. So we've got the coffee time. This is made with Jovi's digitals, and it is bound. It's about 1 inch wide. Look at that. That gator mouth there. Isn't that cute? Lots to see in here. They're beautiful digitals here. So let's check it out. I will have Etsy's, I can't speak. Jovi's Etsy shop in the description box for you if you're interested in going and finding that. This is Jovi's. This one is a stenciling that I did on the paper. This is a little pocket here with one of Jovi's cards in it, if I can grab it here. A little postcard. Journaling spot there. We've got some writing space. We've got a belly band here. And just a little belly band that you can stick something in there. Little handmade button. And a book page. We've got a pocket here with a little ticket, a thank you card, an invoice, or a guest check is probably. And then latte, this is from the digital. I put some extra lined paper here. I went ahead and used a lot of my scraps back in here, and then I stenciled on this back of this one. This one is a belly band, and I made a tag with the paper. And some writing paper on the back. I'm going to tuck that in there. And then this is actually a little ephemera piece from Temu that I had in my stash. Some more of Jovi's digital. I added some writing paper. I stenciled behind there and then put some washi tape on there. You'll see some washi all throughout. And I added some lace. Or trim, I guess it's trim. And then used Jovi's digital here, used it again here for a little tuck spot. Got a little cinema card, or ticket, and a receipt. These were both from the digitals. Love how those turned out. And then we've got another tuck spot with that paper, and then I've got, oh, and I put a little bit of washi on there. There's a ticket to write on, or the back paper. That's just a little quick little tuck spot. My sewing camera. Then I used one of Jovi's butterflies there. Some more writing paper and washi. Then I used her quotes because I did them on cardstock and thicker paper. I used them as tabs, which I thought was fun. So that's one of her quotes. It open. We use the coffee bag for a little pocket. Made a little quick little tag there. And then stenciled the background. We've got another piece of that Jovi's paper here. Just turned it into a little card and kind of a little tab. And then this one, today's good mood is inspired by coffee. I made that a little tuck spot as well, so you can tuck things in that way. I'll have to find something. And this is a removable tablet that just goes over the page that I stenciled. And that's a little piece of ephemera from that Temu pack. There's the back side of that. And another page. Good times. And this is just a little tuck. This is what extends out a couple times. Just tuck it right under that ticket from Jovi's pack. Another little writing spot. added some trim here. Some washi on that paper. Put more trim. Jovi's paper. Coffee is always a good idea. Added some washi there. And some trim here. This is another belly band that can be used. There's a little ticket thing. Can I stick that in there? That could be in there. There's actually tape on there. I was going to use that for something at one point. And then I've got another one set up as a tab here. May your coffee be strong and your Mondays be short. Okay, and then there's plenty of writing space there. And some more trim. Coffee. I need to go get some. Then I've got a ticket here in this little pocket. I made out of one of her quotes. And this is her paper as well. Here's some more of that paper. Some washi on there. And then I used a ticket for the page, or a tag. And then this one I stenciled, added the stamp from the kit. My paper is turning, everything's turning, I'm sliding. And the coffee, put some more trim on there. This one was fun. So I had another ticket, or another tag, and I used it for this page, but then I flipped the back part over the page and turned it into a pocket. And put some little things in there. So that turned out kind of cute. Used another one for a tag there. It makes my sunny personality. And then this one also is a flip under the stamp. Just stenciled on the back of that paper. Had a cup of coffee here, 100%. That's the ephemera from the Temu pack. Some more of Jovi's paper. And then this one, is this one a flip? I can't remember if this one's a flip. I think this one's just decorative. This one I used as a tab up here. So you can turn it with the tab. It just kind of sticks out over. And then this one is, oh, I see what I did. I'll have to, oh, I see what I did. Okay, it's not, I didn't tear it. Stressed, Blessed, and Coffee Obsessed. I used that as another tab. And then this one I turned, this is another from the Temu pack, and I just made a tuck spot there. So with the guest check that came from the digital. And there's another writing spot. Put some more trim there, some more stenciling. You guys, I think this turned out so cute. Some more writing space. Little tuck space with coffee ticket and a theater ticket. And then this one is also a flip. So there's plenty of room to write in here. That's a Temu ephemera. Oops. More stenciling, Temu, washi. And then this is just for decorative, but I guess you could use it as a tuck because it looks like it sticks out just a little bit. You could use it as a tuck spot. More digitals. I did some stenciling and Temu. There's some more, and there's some trim. And then I used the postcard for a pocket. This is the last page, and I put a little tab in here, or a little tag. I don't drink coffee to wake up, I wake up to drink coffee, with some writing space on the back, and then there's a little receipt, or an invoice, and you can write on the back of that. And there you have it. That's it, you guys. Do you love it? I love it. I'm really happy with how it turned out. Jovi, thanks again for the digitals, and thanks for having me on your team. I look forward to next month. Look at that, you guys. Look at those tabs sticking out. That's probably my favorite part, is just seeing all the texture here, the trims, and then the tabs sticking up. You can go back and find your spot. Isn't that cool? It's almost like a file, right? I absolutely love it. I hope you guys enjoyed it too. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.